What is going on, guys? So we've got a slightly different vlog for you today. We have come to check out English Salvage, which is a reclamation yard, and we're looking for bits and bobs for our Sprinter build. So hopefully we find some nice little trinkets, maybe some cupboard doors or something like that. But yeah, stay tuned because we're going to show you about. Guys, look at all these windows. It's absolutely epic. There's so much here. That's beautiful.
I love the idea of this on the bulkhead between the kitchen and the cab at the front.
That's a nice idea.
I think that would just be a really nice way to let some light through and also still give you privacy.
Look at that, guys.
How cute is it?
I love that green as well, and the
gorgeous.
stained glass is lovely. But there's so many.
There's so many.
Look at that, just racks and racks of windows and so much other stuff as well. So I really like this colour as well. It's really nice. If you hold that, I can pull this out. You really have to hunt.
I don't know how I can, like, seriously. I don't know how I'm going to get it out because there's like 50 other windows in the way.
You really have to hunt in these places, don't you, to find what you want.
And if you find something you want, you've got to be really slow and steady at getting everything off it so you can then get it. So we're going to have to move those over there so we can then get that out.
So we've just got this one off the shelf. This is the one B found. It looks really nice, actually. The details are stunning. So this one, 50 quid. What do you think?
I think it's very nice.
Bulkhead window.
Yeah, that'd be so cool. And you could also, it has latch on it and stuff, so if we just replace the rotten ones on the top, we could always use it as an escape hatch if we had to get through into the cab from the kitchen area. So I love it. I love the fact that it's not perfect because we don't want a perfect van. We want it to have some character, and this has so much character. Just
spotted this window here. It's not got a frame on it, but it's really nice. I can imagine that working really well in our barn. There's some really nice wood here with some great character. I think it might slightly be out of our budget, just by a little bit. They literally have everything here. It's like an Aladdin's cave. Check this out. There's just like different warehouses full of stuff. You could literally spend days digging through this stuff. What do you guys think this is? They're absolutely massive. So beautiful. I really like the finish on it. The stain. It's like a really nice kind of orangey brown. How about that for a lamp? Love the green colour. Could see that hanging up in the barn. Maybe get one that's slightly better condition. I've just found these stands, and these would actually be really cool to build a table out of it. So I'll pop that down there. Two of them and you got yourself a really nice table stand. So if you don't know, it's really hard to pick up reclaimed goods in Portugal. I'd just love to hire a lorry and take over so much stuff for the land because you could make it absolutely amazing. Like inside the barn, you could deck it out. It would just look incredible. But I don't think that's going to happen, unfortunately. So we're going to have to do a little digging in Portugal. There must be some places like this in Portugal, but I imagine it's going to be really, really expensive. They literally have everything you could ever want here. Lots more windows. Guys, look how amazing this gypsy wagon is. It's so, so cool. And also, if you need a bath, there's plenty of them here. And look at this bath. It's crazy. It's got like a special shower compartment. Absolutely insane. And then you got so many more baths over here. And I've seen at the front of this yard, there's a really nice galvanized bath that I want to go and look at. Look what I've just found. That's really beautiful.
It is. It's so thick though, it's very heavy.
Wow, that's incredible. I love a good porthole window.
And it's stained glass.
There's so many cool little brackets and stuff. you could just imagine in the van build. Keep up shelves and stuff like that.
Oh, yeah, found some light switches.
Guys, look at this light switch. We've been after something like this for a while now. That would work really well in the van. These are the galvanized tubs I was talking about. How cool would these be on the land? And then I can make some sort of wood-fired bath out of them. Really like the idea of that. They're not that heavy either. Like, they're not crazy heavy. I thought they'd be a lot heavier than they are. Also, these galvanized tubs would make a really nice shower tray. 95 quid each. But they look really, really nice. So we've just come into one of the units that have got all cupboard doors and big doors and some more stained glass windows, as you can see B's got in the back. There's so many beautiful items here, it's just unbelievable. I think I need to chop my bank card in half before I run out of money.
It's a gorgeous leaded stained glass panel that's been put in a new window frame, because I guess the window frame it was in was just so rotten. But how beautiful is that? Imagine the colours coming through. I
was just going to say, if that was in the bulkhead, the sun shining through it would be absolutely epic.
It's amazing.
How much is that?
This is actually £120. So it's double the price of the other one we were looking at.
But it's ready to
but
put
it doesn't
straight
need any
into
work.
the van.
Yeah, so...
How heavy is it?
I don't feel like it's that heavy.
Straight.
But,
yeah,
you know, it's weighty.
Weight.
It's still lighter than the original bulkhead. So you've got to, you know, think about that.
So if you want to visit yourself, this is what it's called. And this is what it looks like. And it's absolutely massive and full of some beautiful items. So well worth a visit. So that was a lot of fun, and now we've just looked online and there's another one about 20 minutes away. B's searching where it is. We're gonna head there now and see what we can find. So we've just arrived at the second place of the day, and it's called Salvaged, I think. And it looks really good so far, lots of cool stuff. I absolutely love these galvanized trays or boxes, they're really nice. Unfortunately, they're way too heavy for the van build. Although they do have some really cool wooden crates that might be quite cool for storage, maybe. Check out this really old school seesaw. I think if me and B got on that, it would actually snap in half, so I won't be demoing it.
Now this is something we really need. Sharpening stone.
Looks cool.
It does, doesn't it?
So let's check out the potting shed. Some really cool stuff in here. Lots of old school tools, which is really cool. Yeah, it's really nice in here. Some useful rustic things for the land, possibly. I really like this. This is really cool. Look at that. Really like these mirrors. They would work really nicely in the van. So much cool stuff in here, guys. Check out this bike. Really nice. I really like all these boxes. These boxes would work really nicely. So unfortunately, all the other reclamation yards that we were heading to were all closed. It seems that these type of places shut early on a Saturday, which is fairly annoying, but it's all good. We saw a couple of good ones and we got some really good ideas. We didn't purchase anything, but we probably will go back. So I hope you've enjoyed the vlog, something a little bit different, and it's all part of the van build process. So keep your eyes peeled because we got so many more videos on the way and the build is starting to get very exciting. See you on the next video.
Head over to theindieprojects.com/shop and check out our new merchandise. Join us on Patreon for exclusive content, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.
It goes round and round in circles, but I'm still on the ground.